This time, cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a wife.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are trying the Saweetie meal from McDonald's. We're already here.
We're already here.
What is it?
Trying the Saweetie meal with her fine ass, man. Yeah.
I've never had
we never had Big Macs before.
I've never had, so we're gonna see if it's good.
Pick the camera over when you get the meals.
Go ahead and order when you're ready.
Can I get two Saweetie meals?
Which meals?
The Saweetie?
You want two of them?
Yeah.
With the sweet sour barbecue and spray?
Yeah.
Yes.
What else for you?
And buffalo sauce.
And can I get buffalo sauce as well?
Okay.
And that'll be it.
All right. Your total's going to be $18.81 at the first window.
Thank you.
I thought you were gonna do it.
I was so scared, bro.
Alright, y'all. We'll let you know when we get our
We'll see.
Y'all
see us back when we get our Saweetie meals. Have fun ass. Do we get Saweetie as well? Is she gonna is she gonna give it to us? Babe, I heard that she gives it to us.
Shut up! Shut it! Okay, y'all. We're ready to eat.
Y'all didn't give us a damn Saweetie bag. They gave us this regular ass, ratchet ass McDonald's bag. I want the Saweetie bag.
I know, me too.
Look at these baby ass nuggets, bro.
It's a 4-piece.
Look at this.
It's a kid's meal.
It's a kid's meal, bro. There's only a Saweetie thing that's on here.
And the sauces.
Even though it's backwards. But it don't even say Saweetie, dude. They got the sweet and Saweetie and sour. They ripped us off. Look at this. Where'd the fries go?
We ate them.
We never had no Big Mac. So it's gonna be our I want those.
Nah.
What you mean?
We can share them
You
together.
ate most of these.
We can share them. It's fries. Alright, so I don't like sweet and sour, but I'm finna try it again because just for the video.
You only give me two. Just kidding. Man, I'm ready to eat, man. I'm gonna try this Saweetie and sour sauce first. I'm gonna fry first. Let's see. That's just pretty good.
For real?
Well, hey, look, it tastes like barbecue in a way. I haven't ate nothing all day.
Me either.
And guess what time it is? 8 in the afternoon. Come on, hurry up.
This is cute.
This is the first time we're having nuggets from McDonald's ever.
Shut up.
This sauce is pretty good, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It tastes like barbecue with something.
I don't know if I like it.
I like it. This is good. This is really good.
It tastes like
Just like barbecue to me. Just a little lighter taste to it. But it tastes just like barbecue.
yeah, I can see. I don't see what you mean.
Man, if I try this Big Mac, I ain't never had no Big Mac before.
I'm excited.
I forgot to say plain for mine.
You have to eat it the way Saweetie eats it.
Hell no. Oh, hell no. She got pickles. I'm not joining this. Cut the video. We're done.
Take it
We're
off.
done.
Oh my gosh. Just take it off.
It no ways it has onions. Oh my gosh.
It doesn't have onions.
Yes, it does. Look at it. Little baby has onions. Oh my fucking gosh, dude. What the fuck?
Calm down.
I'm not trying this damn burger. I'm gonna fries and nuggets. we're gonna try a Big Mac for the first time. The Saweetie Big Mac. We're doing how she does it? That's disgusting.
What?
That is disgusting.
I put buffalo on my burger. And
That's disgusting, bro.
Okay, whatever.
It's good. Wish the meat was thicker though. The little baby ass meat they got. I'm gonna try it with the Saweetie sauce. I should put nuggets on it.
Fries.
I used to do this when I was a little kid. Put the fries in there.
I used to put fries in my stuff.
No one asked. But yeah, I used to do this when I was a little kid, man. I feel like everybody did this when they was a little kid. Right? Did you do this? Did you do this? I'm asking you. You see what she does? She always ignores me for no reason. Alright, we got it. I don't know if she put nuggets on it, but yes, sir. I'm gonna drizzle all this sweet and sour sauce on it. It's like caramel, boy. This better smack, or else I'll be mad. Cause I like to put too much sweet and sour. This is busting, boy. I like this sauce. This is better than buffalo to me. This sauce is better than buffalo to me. I mean,
what?
This sauce is better than barbecue to me and buffalo. It might be the #1 sauce. That's how I'm feeling. #1 sauce for Saweetie. #1 in the sauce and #1 in my heart. Perfect. Right. Hey, right. Damn, you already finished? I bet it took one bite.
I'm hungry. Hop off.
You haven't even said anything. How about you breathe for a little bit? Niggas, you're not gonna say one word. All they're gonna say is you.
I just said
Take a little break. It's still gonna be there. We gotta try Sweetie Sprite. Did she put Sweetie Sour on her Sprite or no?
Oh yeah, she put it in the straw.
I heard she did. That's what I was asking.
Cheers. You can hear it fizzle. Can you hear it?
Have you never tried McDonald's Sprite?
I don't drink soda.
What if you did? You would know McDonald's Sprite hits different. This is the first celebrity meal I taste.
You too.
I didn't have the Travis Scott or the J Balvin. But I have anything that has Saweetie's name on it. Anything. Anything. Ain't that right, babe? Right, babe? Right, babe? Right. Say it. Can you speak?
I'm eating.
Well, yeah, I can tell. You haven't said a word. Was it good?
It was.
You haven't even told me if I was good.
Well, can you let me? I was gonna say something.
No, go ahead.
For my first Big Mac, I think this is a good experience. Like I wouldn't go to McDonald's and be like, oh yeah, I want a Big Mac.
You wouldn't? I would. This is pretty good. I ain't even gonna lie. This is really
No,
good.
like before I wouldn't go to McDonald's and say I want a Big Mac. But it's pretty good.
No.
Who has the best fries? Faster.
McDonald's? McDonald's? Or Whataburger?
I say Whataburger. Wingstop has good fries too.
That's not fast food though.
I mean,
They have to
kinda.
take, no, it's not. They have to be taking 30 minutes just to make fucking 10 fries, 10 wings. Shit, let me go in the back and make it myself.
But they're good, huh?
I mean, yeah. I don't know if they're better than McDonald's or Whataburger though.
Give me
Three
top
from
5.
I
Your
don't know,
most
babe.
favorite.
Babe,
Alright,
I don't
favorite.
know.
Tell me, go.
You go first.
Alright. Whataburger.
This is in order?
Chick-fil-A. Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
After over McDonald's? While you tripping?
McDonald's is up there, it's just not.
No, McDonald's is
Up
1
there.
or 2.
So Whataburger, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Cane's, and then Wingstop.
Cane's fries suck. They suck without the sauce. Mine, type 5. Listen, 1 and 2 are not in order.
Yay!
Whataburger and McDonald's 1 and 2, and then Wingstop number 3, and then number 4 was Jack in the Box, curly or regulars, and number 5 I'll give it a Chick-fil-A. I don't know what's our top 5 fries in fast food. Where do you rate the whole meal? 1 to 10. What do you rate the whole meal? 1 out of 10. Everything, just everything, everything.
Like a 7.
Why?
Because the only
So
thing
low.
of hers was the sauce. Everything else is on the menu.
But still.
But the creativity, I give like a 7. I mean 8.
The whole meal, I give it a 9. I'll give it an 8 just because it didn't fill me up. Like right now, I can get 3. I'll get 3 of them so it can fill me up. You feel me?
Fill me up.
So it can fill me up. Cause I'm still hungry. I'm probably gonna get something else to eat. I shouldn't be able to. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that.
But actually, I deduct a point because we didn't get the bag. So 6. Yeah.
I'll still give it 8 though. No bag. Or Saweetie. I'll give it a 0, man. Where was Saweetie at, man? I thought she was gonna deliver the food for us. I was trying to see her, bro. I was trying to take a picture with her. Maybe give her a little peg or something. You know what I mean?
She don't want you. Trust
How
me.
do you know that?
Trust me, she don't want
She's
you.
single.
That don't mean nothing. She don't
It
want
does.
you.
How do you know? How you know? You know her? No, you don't.
I'm just saying she don't want you.
You wish you know her. I know her. You just don't know me.
Exactly, she don't want you.
The burger was good though. The sauce was 10 out of 10. That sauce was 10 out of 10. What you think?
I wasn't really a fan of it from the beginning, but I give it like a 7.
She's just a hater.
I'm not-
Cause it has its Saweetie name
No,
on it.
I'm not a hater. I never liked sweet and sour.
But it wasn't even sweet and sour. It was more like barbecue.
So,
It was like barbecue's little brother.
but it wasn't that bad from what I was expecting. But I wouldn't get it again.
I'll get it again.
I stick with my buffalo.
Buffalo nasty. That's gonna be the end of the video right there, guys. And sorry we haven't been posting.
We just
I hope y'all still love us.
we broke up. I'm just kidding.
We broke up, but then we got back down. Just kidding.
I'm kidding.
She's pregnant. Just kidding.
Cut the cameras.
Back in the video right there. Hope you like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see y'all next video.